Good morning, students. I am A.K. Jha from Faculty of Biology. Today, I am going to explain the ultrastructure of plant cell and animal cell and the differences between plant cell and animal cell. In previous class, we have already discussed the various components of cell and basic diagrammatic scheme for presentation of different types of components of cell. Today I am going to explain ultrastructure of animal cell and plant cell. The structure which is seen under electron microscope is called ultrastructure. The ultrastructure of animal cell and plant cell reveals the following structures. Here is the ultrastructure of animal cell. So, animal cell is bounded by outer limiting membrane which is called plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is also called cell membrane. It is an outer, thin, elastic, semi-permeable, transparent, porous, double-layered membrane made up of lipid and protein. It has numerous pores in the plasma membrane. The detailed structure of plasma membrane we study in next class. Today I am going to discuss about the structure of total cell. Now plasma membrane is limiting membrane. It surrounds the cell. It surrounds the protoplasm. The contents of cell bounded by cell membrane or plasma membrane is called protoplasm. Plasma membrane present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Now in plant cell there is another layer around the plasma membrane which is called cell wall. This cell wall is a thick layer made up of cellulose. It is rigid and gives rigidity to the plant, strength to the plant cell. In cell wall absent in animal cell, and plasma membrane present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell. Now protoplasm. The protoplasm is semi-liquid, gelatinous, transparent and heterogeneous fluid. Here is the protoplasm of both plant cell as well as in animal cell. Now protoplasm is divided into two parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. The contents of cell between nuclear membrane and cell membrane is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. It is heterogeneous, semi-liquid and transparent gelatinous fluid. And nucleus is central, controlling and regulating center of the cell. In animal cell, nucleus is present in the center, while in plant cell, nucleus is pushed aside due to presence of large vacuoles. Now cytoplasm contain different cell organelles and cell inclusions. See some common cell organelles present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Lysosome present both in plant cell and animal cell. It is called suicidal bag of the cell. It is filled with toxic substance which helps in intracellular digestion of food. Golgi complex present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell. In animal cell, there is only one Golgi complex found around the centrosome just above the nucleus. But centrosome is absent in plant cell. In some plant cell and some bacteria, there are several Golgi complex up to 100, but in animal cell there is only one Golgi complex. It is mainly concerned with cell secretion and condensation of protein. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is in the form of various interconnected tubules. One end of the endoplasmic reticulum is connected with nuclear membrane and another end is connected with cell membrane. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, a rough endoplasmic reticulum and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, onto surface of which ribosomal particles present, are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, while the endoplasmic reticulum in which the ribosomal particles are absent are called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is mainly concerned with intercellular transport of liquid substance. It is in the form of various interconnected tubules. Now mitochondria. Mitochondria is another cell organelle present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Energy is essential for every organ. To provide energy, every cell has got mitochondria. The mitochondria is mainly concerned with oxidation of digested food and liberation of energy. So it is called powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Ribosomes are granular structure scattered in cytoplasm and present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. That means lysosome present both in plant cell and animal cell, Golgi complex present both in plant cell and animal cell, endoplasmic reticulum present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell, ribosomes present both in animal cell and plant cell, mitochondria present both in plant cell and animal cell, but only one cell organelle, that is centrosome, present only in animal cell but centrosome absent in plant cell. The centrosome is mainly concerned with cell division. It forms a spindle fiber during cell division through which chromosomes attaches. And in plant cell, there is a special cell organelle which is called plastids. Plastids present only in plant cell. The plastids are of different types. Green colored plastids are called chloroplast. Colorless plastids are called leucoplast, and variously colored plastids are called chromoplast. The chloroplast contain chlorophyll, so they help in photosynthesis. Colorless plastid, leucoplast, are concerned with storage of food. They store food material, and chromoplasts give various colors to the flowers and different parts of the plant. So plastids present only in plant cell. Now in vacuoles, food vacuoles present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell, but water vacuole, which is filled with water, in animal cell there is numerous small vacuoles present. See, here is the small water vacuoles, but in plant cell there is a single large vacuole. Due to presence of single large vacuole, nucleus is pushed aside. That means in plant cell single large vacuole present, but in animal cell numerous small vacuoles present. Food vacuole present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. In middle, some cell organelles are given. These cell organelles are common to both plants and animal cell. Here cell wall present only in plant cell, plastids present only in plant cell, large vacuole present only in plant cell, centrosome present only in plant cell, a small water vacuoles present only in animal cell. So these are the cell organelles and cell inclusions. All the living structures present in cytoplasm are called cell organelles, and all the non-living structures present in cytoplasm are called cell inclusions. So there are 6 cell organelles in both plant cell and animal cell. In animal cell, the cell organelles are mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, and centrosome. In plant cell, the cell organelles are mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, and plastids, centrosome absent. So the basic difference in plant cell as well as animal cell, difference between plant cell and animal cells are: in plant cell, centrosome absent; in animal cell, centrosome present. In animal cell, centrosome present; in plant cell, centrosome absent. In animal cell, plastids absent; in plant cell, plastids present. In animal cell, there is several small vacuoles present. In plant cell, there are single large vacuoles present. In animal cell, there is a single central nucleus. In plant cell, nucleus is pushed aside due to presence of single large vacuole. And due to presence of cell wall, the plant cell is rigid and hard. Cell wall is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. So these are the basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. We draw the separate figure for nucleus. Here is a nucleus, figure of nucleus present both in animal cell and plant cell. Nucleus is bounded by a membrane called nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane is also double layered, porous, and made up of lipid and protein. Its structure is similar to the cell membrane or plasma membrane. It has numerous pores. The contents of nucleus bounded by nuclear membrane is called nucleoplasm. And nucleoplasm contains several cell organelles and cell inclusions. The liquid part of nucleoplasm is called nuclear shape. Here is the nuclear shape. Liquid part of nucleoplasm is called nuclear shape, and the organelles present in nuclear shape are called nucleolar organelles. They are nucleolus and chromatin network. Nucleolus is a central, massive, round structure which is present in the center of nucleus, which is made up of RNA. And chromatin network is in the form of interwoven thread-like structures. They are a stage of chromosome, and it is made up of DNA and protein. It is genetic material. During cell division, the chromatin network condenses, separates to form chromosome. Chromosome number are constant in a particular species, and due to constant number of particular species in a particular organism, their characters are different from each other. Several organisms differ in character due to their difference in chromosome number. So far we have studied the ultrastructure of animal cell and plant cell, the structure of nucleus, various cell organelles and cell inclusions, present in plant cell and animal cell, the basic differences between animal cell and plant cell. Now we study the various cell organelles present in animal cell and plant cell in detail in next class.